Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this Microsoft Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the IF function to do grading in Excel, specifically using Excel 2013. This is one of those must-know Excel tips and tricks, especially if you're a teacher, student, or anyone who needs to calculate grades in Excel.
Let's say you have a list of student scores in Microsoft Excel 2013. Use an IF formula in Excel to show whether each student has passed or failed. Let's do it step by step. Step 1. Click the cell where you want the result to appear. For example, cell C2. Now type in this IF function. Let me explain. B2 is the cell with the student's score, or Susser's 50 checks if the student got 50 or more. If yes, Excel shows pass. If not, it returns fail. This is the simplest way to build a grade formula in Excel using the IF function Excel offers. Step 2. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other rows. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each student. Boom! You've now used the IF formula in Excel to grade multiple students in seconds. Quick recap, we used Excel 2013, but this works in Excel 365 and other versions too. We use the IF function Excel provides to create a pass or fail system. This is one of the easiest Excel formulas to start with. Perfect for quick grading or simple analysis. Pro tip, want to take it further? You can use nested IF functions to assign letter grades, like A, B, C, D, or F. If you're interested, comment below and I'll cover that in a future Excel tutorial. If this video helped you learn how to use the IF function to do grading in Excel, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Excel tips, Excel tricks, and Microsoft Excel tutorials. And don't forget to check out our other videos on Excel formulas, Excel 365, and Excel shortcuts. Whether you're using MS Excel 2013 or newer version, we've got you covered. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.